not having a big enough hand. Oh, where's it now into it? Stop filming. Yeah, and why won't it? We're not.
Yeah. Fucking hell.
That's why where I keep trying to put it, and why
There you
won't...
go. There you go. Push it left.
Oh.
No, it's not in right.
Yeah, and therefore that's why I'm struggling. Yeah, that's what I keep doing. Oh, right, okay. It's not that fucking easy then, is it? Yeah. See, it isn't that fucking easy, Jack, when you get it. See, that's why I keep putting it before, and it was not...
Don't point the barrel further this way, so you can get it round the round bit.
I don't like not being able to do anything.
Oh, fuck!
I'm covered in WD-40 now. Or whatever it is. I can't do it.
No, you'll get there, honey.
I did it before once. It's really easy. Stop fucking filming me. Please stop it.
I'm not filming, I'm just giving you light.
Even you found it hard just before.
There you go, there you go.
Fucking hard work.
There you go.
Fucking hard work though. In the dark.
Hey!
That bit's easy. This bit's even easier.